2015 Chevy Tahoe 5.3 liter LTZ. What we got done for it on it for you guys today, it's got the stock converters there, and these ones come with a third converter right there. We cut out the muffler and did a 3-inch pipe in its place and continued it out. We left the resonator, he didn't want it too loud and obnoxious, into a 5-inch tip right there, double wall metal. If you guys want that tip, you can see the description in the link in the description. Came out really nice, clean look. That's how you do a muffler delete on these Chevy Tahoe. So this is the Tahoe again. We'll let you guys hear what we did after. So still got the stock converters there and there. Third one right there. Then we put a 3-inch pipe instead of the muffler. And then we put a 3-inch with a 4-inch tip. Double wall. We'll let you guys hear in a second. That's how it came out. You want it louder or are you good? Give it gas. That's what they sound with the muffler deleted and leave the resonator. Those tips always look really good on those cars. Oh, yeah. There's that massive muffler, right? It's not coming up right there. That's the stuff we took off right there.
Inside this 2015 Tahoe, let you guys hear it. Just did a muffler delete. Not too loud, but deep tone.